Hi, we are all in the middle of COVID-19 lockdown. It is the right time to think about what plans should be created to reopen the schools. It is very essential for the management to talk on it now. First of all, the management should create a high level team for having a business continuity plan. How we will operate the school after COVID-19. On that, there should be a clear-cut policies and programs. A high-level team can be created and that team can sit together and decide what are the things we have to take care while the school reopened, when the children start coming to school. Policies to be created. That means a post COVID-19 policy should be created. In that, it should be very clearly explained what are the roles and responsibilities of different individuals working in the school. Each and everything should be specifically mentioned. For example, at the gate, what are the things we have to do? How sanitization should take place while the children or the teachers or the vendors are coming in? How the sanitization will take place over there? What arrangements should be made over there? Do we need a declaration form from the vendors coming in, telling that they are physically healthy? That's an example I am telling. In the same way, how we are going to maintain social distancing in the classroom, in the washroom areas, in the canteen, at the reception, at the ground. On all these, there should be a clear-cut policy and program. That should be made in a structured, written way. It should be a concrete plan. And after making this plan, duties and responsibilities should be delegated. There should be a team to oversee all these policies and programs are working or operational at the ground level when the school reopens. So specifically, we have to allot duties and responsibilities for each and everything. For example, who will take charge of sanitation? Who will take charge of social distancing? Who will take charge of infirmary? Who will take charge of emergency situations? Who will take charge of communicating to the parents whenever an eventuality comes? In that way, for each and everything, there should be a structured program and also responsible persons. Even in the case of academics, we have to fix it. Who will take charge of academic matters? Because there may be a lot of academic pressure and also emotional problems. So all that also should be addressed. Then again, how we will ensure that whatever policies are created are working at the ground level. Every day there should be inspection. So who will take charge of inspection? We have to prepare a checklist for inspection, and with that checklist, a team should go around and see that whatever policies and programs we created, those things are working on a day-to-day basis. Otherwise, the policies and programs will remain in the book and things will go wrong. So that aspect should be taken care. The inspection aspect, the inspection team should be created and inspection should be done at the right way when the school reopens. Another important aspect management has to take care is on sufficient stock of personal protective equipments and medicines, and also the creation of an isolation room, Because sometimes when the children report to school, after that one or two children may start sneezing or coughing in the classroom. We won't take it seriously, but other children may complain. So how we will isolate, how we will inform the parents and tell them to take him away. That part also should be taken care. So procurement is very important. Procurement of materials needed for infirmary and again personal protection equipments. And again, whatever materials needed for sanitization, that also should be brought into the campus. In short, what I meant is by this talk, at the top level, management should see 3-4 things. First, creating a team to decide policies and programs, then delegating responsibilities. That means creating a structure. Then next, inspection of day-to-day activities based on the policies and programs. Team for that, inspection team for that. Then stocking needed materials. And another important aspect at the end I wanted to tell is, we may be having a fund problem because all the parents won't be able to pay the fees. But at the same time, we have operational expense like paying teachers, paying the vendors, etc. So we should have a plan for that too. How we are going to manage the finances for the next 1 year. These are the basic things management should look into in the beginning. In the coming days, we can discuss other aspects in each and every area, how we are going to tackle, what policies we can adopt. On that, I will be briefing you in the coming days. Hope this pep talk may benefit you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.